Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mugman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a curved diagonal line for the top. And then a large U shape underneath to close off the head. Next, let's add the nose with a large oval on the left side, overlapping the side of the head. Next, let's erase the line inside the nose. Let's draw the eyes next. Above the nose, let's start at the top of the head, and we're going to draw a curve down towards the nose like this. Now inside, let's draw a curve on the right side. Then let's add a V-shaped notch. And next, we're going to erase the line inside the notch. Now let's color this part of the eye in black. Let's draw the right eye now with a large oval on an angle. And then again, let's draw a curve inside on the right side. And then add the same notch. And color this section of the eye in black as well. Next, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a small curve here, and then bring it up and around. And then the same thing on the bottom side. Next, inside the mouth, let's draw the tongue with two curves in the bottom. Next, let's color the inside of the mouth in black. Next, for the head, let's draw the handle on the right side. On the right here, let's draw a curve like this. And then a larger curve around it. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the straw coming out from the top right. Start by drawing two curved lines up and to the right. And then close off the end with another curve. Next, let's add a stripe inside with two curved lines. And that's it for the head. Let's work on the body next. Let's start by drawing the right arm. Underneath the head here, let's start by drawing a curve up, overlapping the mouth and the handle, and then back down and around like this. And then a similar curve underneath. Next, let's close off the arm on the bottom side. Next, let's erase any of the lines inside this arm. Let's draw the hand now. Around the bottom of the arm, let's draw a circle shape. Then from underneath, let's draw a curve down and to the left. Now let's hop back up here, and we're going to draw a curve up towards the arm and then back around underneath like this. and then draw 3 small curves inside the glove. Let's draw the body next. Let's move over under the head on the left side, and we're going to draw a curved line down. Now let's draw the top of the shorts. Starting from the hand, let's draw a line across and then come out slightly past the body line. And then from the end, let's curve it down. Next, let's draw the bottom of the shorts with a curved line across here. And then let's draw each short leg with a curved rectangle shape. Before continuing the legs, let's draw the left arm now. Let's start on the left side of the body, and we're going to draw a curve up past the nose like this. Then starting from the nose, we're going to draw the other side of the arm. And then a curve at the end to close it off. Let's draw the hand next. At the end of the arm, let's draw a circular curve around the arm like this. On the right side, let's draw a small curve up. Then let's draw the thumb coming out towards the right like this and back around. Let's hop back down to the left side. Let's draw a curve out, bring it in, and then draw one finger up like this. Next, let's add 2 more fingers. And then a curve to close off the hand. And lastly, let's add 1 curve on the palm here. Let's draw the legs next, starting with the left side. Underneath the left short leg, let's draw 2 curves down. And then a curve to close off the bottom. And let's do the same thing under the other side. Next, at the bottom of each leg, let's draw curves down and back in like this. And then a curve down on the insides for the heel of the shoe. Next at the top here, let's start with a curve out and back down for the top of the shoe. And the same thing on the right. Now let's connect the sides with an S-shaped curve across. Now underneath, let's draw 2 curves down on either side. And then another set of S-curves to close off the bottom of the shoe. And that's it for Mugman. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!